Good morning, guys. Another day, another adventure. And today we're gonna go on a volcanic boat tour. And we're gonna explore the crater of the volcano,
What's the name of the volcano?
Kameni,
Oh.
the volcano that destroyed the island, the city of Atlantis. Come with us. See you later. Alright guys, come with us for another adventure. We're gonna go on a volcanic tour. Let's go. Yep. Go. What is that?
You ready to go? Enjoy your day.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I'll see you in 10 years.
See you.
Oh, it's not even. Right here, babe. Sit on the left. Alright. Alright, ladies. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Watch your step, huh? Want me to go first?
Yeah, go first.
Oh, there's a boat. Thank you. You wanna sit here? Right there. Huh? Go over there. Go. Yeah, right there. Oh, you wanna sit here? There you go. Oh, sorry. What's up, guys? We're aboard. There you go. No backrest here. There's no backrest. Really, let's go do a Titanic over there, huh? Wanna sit here? I'm the king of the world. Thanks, Zell. Okay, sit, lay your back, lay your back. Jessica, lay your back, come on. See the two of you. See? Get every follow me on Instagram so you can see a picture. Wow. Where are you? I cannot see. May dalawa, may dalawa. Jessica, Jessica, look. Yes, we made it. Wow, amazing. Amazing, ano yun? Honey. Honey. Smile, babe. Here. What can you say for the vlog? Huh. So guys, we're here aboard the boat and we're headed to the crater, the volcano. You know, we're gonna explore the crater, and it's still an active volcano. You know, the name of the volcano is Kameni. They believe that this island is the long.
Ladies and gentlemen, Calimera. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our captain and the crew, welcome aboard our boat named St. Nicholas, number 8. The name and the number of our boat. St. Nicholas boat, number 8.
There you go.
We'd like to thank you for choosing our company, Captain Boat, for this guided tour around the volcanic islands of Nea Kameni, Palea Kameni, and the island of Tirasia. My name is Yanis, and with my colleague Georgia, will be your guide for the whole duration of our boat trip. Well, we have just left behind the new port of Santorini area named Athenia's Port. We are heading now towards our first destination, the volcanic island we can already see. Straight ahead, named Nea Kameni, with its well-known active volcano.
Active volcano.
The formation of Nea Kameni Island belongs to the most recent volcanic history of the Mediterranean and is considered as a center of great geological importance. One volcanic island we're going to visit, Nea Kameni, with the active volcano at the top, and that one of Palea Kameni, with a geothermal springs where we're going for the swimming experience, have been nominated for the World List of Geological Museums. So, in a few minutes we will disembark at the small natural port of Nea Kameni Island. As soon as we disembark, we will pay the entrance fee to the volcano. It's a national geological park, so we must pay for the entrance €5 per person. You can pay by credit card or cash. And then, those of you who wish to listen to the English tour, they can follow me so that we can all make our way up to the crater. The distance, we will walk to the top of the island. It's about 1 kilometer and more or less 300 meters. It will take us about 25 minutes for reaching the top of the island. Advise you to wear sport shoes and have with you a bottle of water. Please pay close attention, especially those of you who will not be following the guiding group. At 11:30, 11:30, and after our visit to the active crater, we must be again on board on our boat named St. Nicholas, number 8, so that we can continue our boat towards our next destination, the Bay of Thermal Springs, where we are going for the swimming experience. So, departure time from our first destination, 11:30. You are kindly requested to be on time. 11:30, our boat St. Nicholas is leaving. Ladies and gentlemen, let me inform you that on board, into the indoor area of the boat, there's a bar where you can buy soft drinks, water, beers, local wine, alcoholic drinks, slashes, alcoholic slashes, something very special on our boat. You find this kind of cocktail only on our boat, a combination between slushy and any kind of alcoholic drinks, and coffee. In our minibar, you can pay by credit card or cash. Smoking area of the boat, the rear of the boat. You cannot smoke. You can smoke on board, but you cannot smoke anywhere on board because it's a wooden boat. So, smoking area of the boat, the rear of the boat. Restrooms of the boat are located into the indoor area of the boat, left and right. You are kindly requested not to drop the papers into the toilets of the boat. Thank you very much. Wishing you to enjoy this beautiful summer day of mid-October.
Wow, yeah, beautiful.
Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, je vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord de notre bateau nommé Saint-Nicolas numéro 8. Saint-Nicolas numéro 8. C'est le nom et le numéro de notre bateau. Je veux vous remercier d'avoir choisi notre compagnie Captain pour ce tour. Je m'appelle Yanis, je serai votre guide pendant la durée de notre tour. Alors, on vient d'écouter derrière nous le nouveau port de Santorin, port d'Athinos.
I'm not doing anything, Julie. I'm taking a picture of you. The
Et on
boat.
se dirige maintenant vers notre première destination, l'île volcanique qu'on voit juste en face, nommée Nea Kameni, où on va visiter le volcan actif de Santorin. L'île de Nea Kameni constitue le chapitre le plus récent de l'histoire. L'île de Nea Kameni qu'on peut déjà voir juste en face, constitue le chapitre le plus récent de l'histoire volcanique dans la mer Méditerranée. Donc dans quelques minutes, on se débarquera au petit port naturel de Nea.
Is on the top of the mountain.
Ayaw, ka-follow natin sila ha.
under your water bottle. Come on. This is a picture. Captain Cheska, aboard the St. Nicholas boat. Number 8. Ano ka dyan to? Those are lavas, be. Those are lava formations. Guys, when the volcano erupted, the remnants. Already marked all the destinations.
13
in Portugal.
13, 14 marks a day. Or you can go all the way to Morocco.
That's part of the continent, Morocco? Part of the...
No, that's Africa, right? Because you gotta take the ship, the ferry across.
Okay. You gotta cross there.
In Portugal, Spain.
What's the name
Ladies
of
and
that
gentlemen,
company?
as we get closer to the small natural port of Volcanic Island, let me remind you of what information on the departure time of here,
I have a buddy
which
that
is
rides
11:30. 11:30, we must be on board St. Nicholas boat, number 8. Okay, after your transportation,
That's why I got-
you
I-
can
that's
follow
why I
me
got
to the break. You can leave your stuff, your personal belongings on board. We don't
Do you have a
leave money or valuables.
Do you have a YouTube account? You don't get
11 uploaded. Mesdames et messieurs, je veux vous rappeler l'heure de notre départ ici, c'est 11h30. 11h30, on doit tous être de nouveau à bord sur notre bateau, nommé Saint-Nicolas, numéro 8, pour continuer notre tour vers notre prochaine destination, le golfe Sucremal. On peut laisser vos affaires à bord, on laisse pas d'argent, de choses de valeur à bord. Ok. 11h30, c'est le départ. On doit tous être de nouveau à bord. Après votre débarquement, vous pouvez me suivre vers le café. Merci.
Bring your bag.
I will. So we're getting off the island to explore. Thank you. We're gonna go swimming. The next island, we're gonna go swimming, right?
I need to swim. I'm gonna jump off the boat.
Yeah.
It's overrated.
Wait, no, go in front of me.
This is so fun. Oh, this boat is so nice, well maintained. No? Liga apa? Big step, big step. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. We made it to Nea Kameni, the home of Zeus.
Okay.
Oh, got a pay? Why?
It's a national park.
I didn't want it to know.
Which part? Which part of the
Yes, thank you.
That's a good ball.
Yes. How
Three,
many?
sir. Three.
Three.
Two adult, one child.
Where is the child?
This
No,
one.
no, no.
Oh, wait. That's good. Thank you, sir. Well, I have to try.
Hindi mo sa kanya, hindi ka nag-i-scan.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That's what I do all the time.
All the time.
I just say yes, yes, yes all the time. Oh, they got. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Story of my life. Well, it's getting warm now. You got the ticket? Give it to me. Where's my ticket?
Maybe you should give your ticket to her.
No, I got it in my pocket. Bravo. Where's our tour?
No.
Where's our tour again?
Up there.
Proceed. You follow the camera. I should put a flag on this. Arret. You know arret?
It means stop.
French.
It means stop.
French yun. Yeah, we're going to this side. Take off my sweater. Oh, proceed, proceed.
Come on.
Baby.
Ah oui, dans le bateau.
That was the worst
Well,
one.
this one is not as bad as the hike from Vira to Iya. Look at that.
They did it too.
Yeah. They did it too, right?
Yeah.
You have to do it, you know. You come here. It's a once in a lifetime experience, so you have to do everything. All the rocks that we are seeing here, guys, are made lava. Made, all the rocks that we saw, that we're seeing here, came from the volcano eruption. Just follow my blog. I'm a famous blogger. I have 20 million followers. One day I'm gonna be famous.
Sure. Yeah. In the next life.
Don't worry, I'll give you some lucky.
Oh.
I'll make you happy, give you some lucky. Guys, you see those rocks? Those rock formation. Those came from the volcanic eruption. See that? Wow. Dinosaurs used to walk this land. T-Rex.
What T-Rex?
Yeah.
You think of Jurassic Park?
Huh?
You think of Jurassic Park?
Take over. Take over. What is that? We're approaching the crater of Niikiamani. Read the information.
See the same thing.
This is a picture of the volcano. Come on, take a picture of it. Come here, babe. Read the information though, so you.
Okay, when's the last one? 1941. See over here.
Maybe it would start down there.
197 BC, that's when the volcano erupted, I think.
Maybe it would start down there.
Yeah, right.
I was 12 years old then.
Oh, you're young. You are very fit, young. When did it
Started here and ended.
start? World War II,
Okay, first of all,
1940s.
let me tell you that we can very like today got the perfect weather conditions.
That is recent.
The winter wind is a perfect summer day. Anyway, you've chosen the best period for coming and visiting Santorini. Best period for coming and visiting Santorini is now October and then May. During the summer months, I mean June, July, August, even September. It's considered a summer month. Don't want to know. Too hot and so crowded. Yes. Now it's perfect, like a private room. During the summer months, we give you some information concerning the whole complex of Santorini Island. Let's try to understand what we call Santorini today. What Santorini, I mean today, because Santorini is always changing through the years. How it was formed, and information concerning this volcanic island named Nea Kameni, also in Greek, which is the newest earth in Europe. Okay, so I'm giving the whole story first in English. Je répète en français, il y a des français francophones, hein? Ok. Ne vous inquiétez pas, on a le temps de tout répéter, de tout faire lentement après, de faire toute l'histoire, même en français. Je commence en anglais, je répète en français. So, we're in a volcanic place on a volcanic island named Nea Kameni. We need to know what Nea Kameni means. Nea Kameni means in Greek new. Nea means new, burn, new, burn. Why new and why burn? We call this volcanic island new because it has been formed the last 430 years recently through geological events that took place in 6 different time periods. We call this island burn because obviously it consists of volcanic rock formation. That means lava here, 100% volcanic environment. So New Bern Island has a unique makeup, as we will see, and an even greater geological importance because it's the most recent volcanic formation in the Mediterranean. It is still an active volcanic center, with the oldest rock formation date back about 450 years, while the most recent ones date back just 75 years. 75 years, it's a baby island, and this baby volcanic island has been characterized as a national volcanic geological park, actually one of the most important in Europe. Close to the active crater, we will understand the meaning of a geological volcanic park, because we will see around the active crater a lot of mechanical equipment with sensors of temperature deep inside the earth, which measure continuously, day by day, the volcanic activity and give us a lot of valuable information concerning the activity. The scientists from all over the world who work at there and monitor the volcanic activity on a daily basis claim that in order for reliable conclusions to be drawn, measurements have to be taken within a 12 months period. So all the data of the last, not today, for sure in the future, we don't know when, but not today. Just a smoking crater remains active, smoking, but dormant, like the whole complex of Santorini Island, which has also remained active but dormant. So scientists believe that we can feel safe for the moment. At least for today, you have nothing to worry about. It's a deal. For sure in the future, we're going to have troubles on this area. Up to now, only God knows when, because you know both sciences, seismology, volcanology, are sciences that rely on data and statistics. And that's why neither volcanic eruptions nor earthquakes can be repeated anywhere in the world up to today. We hope in the future especially on Santorini area. You already know what happened on Santorini area last January, last February.
Yeah.
4,000 earthquakes in 1 month.
Wow.
We live in danger. We need to know. We hope in the future. Two pieces of evidence prove the volcanic activity of the whole complex of Santorini Islands. The boat trip you're enjoying today is based on those two elements. First one, the smoke you will see up there into the active crater with a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, which consists of water vapors, carbon dioxide, and sulfur. You're going to smell the sulfur up there. Second piece of evidence, the Bay of Thermal Springs on the other volcanic island named Old Burned Island, New Burned, Old Burned Island, which we will visit next for the swimming experience. So the Bay of Thermal Springs on the other volcanic island named Old Burned and the smoke up there into the active crater prove volcanic activity. 5 craters on New Burned Island. Just one of them at the top of the island is the active one, named George I, because George I was the king of Greece during the period of its first eruption. The active crater has been formed in August of 1866 after 2 hydrothermal eruptions, cases. Erupted for the last time in January of 1950. That was the last eruption. January of 1950. The last eruption lasted more or less 1 month, considered as the worst geological event ever in human history. And then there's a second historical period which begins just after the Minoan eruption of 3,600 years ago. If we want to imagine the whole area during the first historical period before the Minoan eruption, so during that period the whole area was completely different. During the first historical period, there's no seawater, there's no caldera. What is caldera? We call caldera a geological system formed by all the volcanic rocks on the main island and the seawater. This is the caldera of Santorini. So during the first historical period, before the Minoan eruption, there's no caldera, there's just one island all around, named Strongili because of its shape, because Strongili in Greek means rounded. So the old island existing during the first historical period was almost rounded. There was a mountain in the middle of this island, about 1 kilometer, 500 meters high, and there was an extremely advanced civilization thriving on the old Strongili island during the first historical period. Okay, a civilization which was smaller but competitive to the famous Minoan civilization. I hope you heard, I guess you heard at school about the Minoan civilization, extremely advanced too, thriving during the same historical period on the island of Crete. The island of Crete, which is about 80 miles away from Santorini in that direction. All we can see now, all around, is the remains of the old Strongili island after the Minoan eruption of 3,600 years ago, given, and because of that geological event, given the Minoan eruption by a supercrater, 5 supercraters all over the world, like Yellowstone, like Krakatoa, like New Zealand. You can see the whole Santorini caldera as the main part of the supercrater that gave the Minoan eruption of 3,600 years ago. You can feel now into the mouth of the supercrater. Supercrater, which is the only one on Earth, like which isn't active anymore, like Yellowstone, like Krakatoa, but still exists in a depth of about 2 kilometers under our feet. So we already have the main idea of the formation of Santorini Island. What we can see now all around is the remains of the old Strongili Island after the period of the Minoan eruption, which consists of 3 islands. Bigger one, the most important, the island where you enjoy your vacation on it, named Island of Tira.
Tira.
Island of Tira, main island of Santorini complex. Santorini is a complex. Main island of Santorini complex, the island of Tira. Why we call this island Tira? Because for about 800 years after the Minoan eruption, the whole area remains inhabited. First inhabitant of this island after about 800 years was the king of ancient Sparta, Leonid 300, King Tiras. That's why we call this island Tira. and its first capital after the period of the big eruption was the village of ancient Tira, the other side of the island, close to Kamari, up to the hill. Very enjoyable and very interesting walking up there. Today's capital, the village of Fira, which is the capital and commercial center of the whole complex of Santorini Islands since the beginning of the previous century. So, island of Tira, main island of Santorini complex, and one of the leaders of Greek tourism today, like Mykonos, like Rhodes, like Crete, and it's today capital, the village of.
Oh, we're gonna fly my drone over there. Lifetime, Tuesday. We're gonna invite the whole group.
Not even all this usual. Non era usual unica e poi è andato giù una parte
Persona non grata. Watch your step. Guys, watch your step. There's a lot of rocks sticking out. You and your mom. I'm a tour guide, so.
No, you're not.
Watch your step, huh?
You can be a tour guide in the film. Prego sa pala, so may namin ganyan.
Mommy, sweetheart. Oh, sayo na. Kaya ka muna yung drone ko. Para ka na. Follow. Abay, tao ka namin tao. Baka masama ko sa buhok nila. Might get tangled in their hair. Baby, come on. Upsala. Oh, this is the main crater.
The active one.
This is the active one. So we'll think.
Sounds like a fart.
At the top, right there.
Tatab.
I've never smelled sulfur before.
Ano yung video ko?
Jessica, dito ka
Kuhanin mo yung drone ko.
Ay, mamaya na doon. Ano yung drone?
Jessica, here. Stay with your group. Stick with your group.
Like a bottle of sulfur home.
Sulfur is like bad stinky odor. If you smell something foul, that's sulfur. Sulfuric acid. Rotten, smell like rotten animal. Decomposing animal. That's the smell of sulfur. So guys, you learned that from me, okay? If you're listening to my vlog, that's the smell of sulfur. Alright. I'm gonna jump too. Save some up.
If it's not deep, I'll jump.
Or not. See, if we waited until we're 60 before we do this trip, it's gonna be tougher. You know?
Yeah.
Tougher for our legs. You want me to carry you back? Huh? say something for the vlog.
We're almost there. We're almost at the top.
Francis, say something for my vlog.
We're almost at the top.
Sino to? Alright. Is this the spot?
Nope.
What is that?
More.
More?
The second.
This is another crater? Okay. Take a break here. Ask someone for a picture. Julie, ask the girl so. Julie, ask for a picture. Feel a lot of energy on this island, this volcano. A lot of energy. You just have to take it all in. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Where is it? More? More mountain. Watch your step, ladies. Alright. Almost there at the crater.
I hope so.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
I'm running out of water.
I have a big water bottle.
I gotta fill mine.
Yeah, later. Alright,
Can you make it?
find a good spot to fly this. Is that it?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's the
Is that
crater.
sulfur?
Yeah, I can smell it. Do you want to walk over there?
No. I don't smell anything.
Just walk around because he was saying there's a nice view over there.
I don't smell anything yet.
Walk in the middle, okay? Middle of the path. See that smoke? Oh? See that, how active that is? See, there's a smoke. The crater is active.
Oh wow. At least you have to walk down
Yeah.
after.
See, let's take a picture with that smoke. Let's take a picture here. Where are those our friends? The
They're
girls.
way ahead of us.
You're just dome. You're just dome. Oh, okay. See the sulfur is smoking. Oh, that's sulfur. Sulfuric rocks. Oh. Come here.
Oh, I smell it.
See, Julie. Am I right? On the-
Oh, wow.
Geliyor, sen de
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I can smell it.
Go with the shadow on your
Move
face.
forward, move forward.
Right,
There we
right
go.
Right here, right here. Julie, Julie, come. Dito ka, behind me, behind me. There you go. Like that, closer. Okay, dito hawakan mo to.
Wait lang.
He follows us there. Turn around, Be, turn around, guys. Turn around. Hi. Hi, turn around ka ba? Bilis naman yata ang turn around mo din eh. I have to change my battery with this one. It's a 360. Wow, look at that. Julie, here tayo, isa pa. Picture here. Okay, go. Follow me.
We have until 11:30.
Okay, go ahead, guys.
Back up and then go back down.
There's still a French group, so
I know, but still. We have limited time here. It doesn't matter if there's a French group because they're already coming.
yeah.
What's the time right there? The biker friend.
Ang ganda doon tayo to. Hindi pa rin natin doon.